Hello everyone, my name is Scout Bernstein. I'm a regional sales manager here at Alliance RV, which has a perfect length of 34 feet 11 inches, perfect for the state and national parks. And this is 12,250 pounds dry. Let's check inside. Now we're in the kitchen and living space of this 310 RL. The first thing you're gonna notice is the full panoramic view, and all of the windows throughout this coach leaves it very light, bright, open feel. Let's talk about some of the features in the kitchen. One of my favorite features in this Paradigm 310 RL is this Insignia 4-burner cooktop. Not only do you have 4 burners up top, but you have a turkey-tested oven. This is a residential stove, what you'd find in most homes. The great thing is you have countertop space on both sides of this oven, great for that preparation when you're cooking all of your great meals, as well as this residential microwave. Now let's talk about this 19 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator made by Norcold. This is a residential style refrigerator that is ultra efficient and ran off of the solar panels on our roof. We have a 320 watt solar panel with a 40 amp charge controller coming on every single Paradigm. This is running directly off of the batteries. One of the changes we've made on 2024 Paradigms is we have included adjustable shelves in our pantry with motion lighting. This is great so you can fit your needs of whatever you're trying to store in that pantry space. We have a massive kitchen island here with a farmhouse style sink and a stainless steel faucet. I'm sitting here in the main living space of this 310 RL. I'm sitting in the powered recliners that have USB connections throughout, cup holders in this center console area. And this is made by the Kensington collection, so it's an upgraded material. We really wanted to focus on getting rid of that peeling and cracking that's mostly found in RVs. There are 2 things I want to point out here. One is our atrium style window that gives you 50% more airflow, as well as our day-night shades. This is a customer-driven feature that customers were really asking for. We do it all on the main level in all of our Paradigm floor plans. One big selling feature of this 310 RL is this is constructed on a 101-inch wide-body frame. The conventional frame is 96 inches, so you're getting 5 extra inches of living space for an under 35-foot floor plan. Where that's going to be really showcased is where this sleeper sofa and all of this extra storage is. It's truly maximizing this space. You'll notice on both sides of this sleeper sofa, we are really maximizing this space with flip-up storage, and then you also have USB connections and outlets on both sides. Now let's talk about the entertainment space on this 310 RL. You have plenty of overhead cabinetry, an Insignia smart TV, speakers on both sides, and hidden pull-out storage in the fireplace. We really want to gain all of the extra storage that is typically lost in fifth wheels. Continuing on with residential features, every single Paradigm cabinet door is going to be soft close. And when it closes, it's going to have a magnetic latch so all of your belongings are staying in place. Another great feature is we are reinforcing all the bottoms of our drawers. They are all rated for 90 pounds of weight. We are underneath the kitchen sink here. One thing I wanted to point out is the water shutoff valves at every single plumbing location. This is great for stopping those camp stopping events of a water leak. You can shut this directly off at the source and continue camping. LED accent lighting was an important feature for customers. We are accenting our backlit cabinetry, top of our crown molding, and around our kitchen island. Another important feature that I'd like to highlight is our smart wire. It's a color-coded and number-coded wiring system that we provide a schematic on how this unit is wired. We are here at our dinette table. This is a floating dinette. This is mounted directly to the wall, which is getting rid of that knee knocker, which is traditionally found in fifth wheels. This dinette also comes with 2 stationary chairs and 2 folding chairs underneath the bed. A customer-driven feature that we really took home was removing the in-floor heat vents. A lot of customers complain about getting dirt, debris. When you're camping, things get messy. So we removed those in-floor heat vents on the main level and put it in the island and unique spaces throughout the camper. A customer-driven feature that we added on all of our Paradigm series is adding dimmable lights. It's not just on or off, you have the ability to tone down each set of lights in the bedroom and living space. Before we head upstairs, let's talk about the AC system in this 310RL. This floor plan is under 35 feet, but it's equipped with three 13.5K BTU air conditioners that are all individually controlled. The unique thing is we've eliminated a lot of the ductwork throughout the coach. What we found is ductwork is less efficient when hot air is going through that, and by the time it actually drops, it's already hot, so you're losing a lot of cool air efficiency. So 60% of the ductwork was removed. The only ductwork is going to be into the bedroom and bathroom area. These ACs not only are super efficient, but they're super quiet. These are the Coleman Mach non-ducted quiet series. This is equivalent to any Whisper quiet air conditioner on the market. Now we're in the bathroom of this Paradigm 310RL. The first thing you're gonna notice is this full residential style shower. This is a 48-inch shower with a shower surround and a teak seat, rated for over 300 pounds. Let's continue on. In this bathroom space, you'll notice a full-size medicine cabinet, epoxy poured tops, and a large stainless steel sink with a porcelain toilet and a soft close toilet lid. One of the first things you'll notice in this bedroom space is the king-size bed that comes standard on every single Paradigm, as well as the atrium windows that really opens up this entire space, and there's going to be charging stations on both sides. One of the things that customers were asking for was a space for a CPAP. Underneath our bed frame, we actually included a full storage shelf and an outlet that you can plug that CPAP in. Makes it super simple for any customers looking to add that. Let's continue on with a few more features in this bedroom space. First off, you're going to have an Insignia HD Smart TV. Also, you will have hidden storage on top of the dresser, great for your keys and your wallet. This has a 6-piece dresser, plenty of storage throughout, as well as underneath you have the shoe garage. This is all additional storage for shoes. There's no good place to put shoes in a fifth wheel. We really unlocked that space that's typically lost. Another great feature is this dedicated bench in this bedroom. This is great for putting on your shoes and your socks. Underneath is all additional storage. Now we're in the master closet. What you'll find is a large hanging rod for all of your clothes, additional shelves in this center section, and it's washer dryer prepped. The washer will be on the left side and the dryer will be on the right. Two things I'd like to highlight in this entryway, one being our Moride safety rail that actually folds directly into the sidewall, as well as our Lippert solid step that is on an assisted strut, makes it super easy to come in and out. First off, let's talk about our Super G rated tires. They're rated for 4,400 pounds of capacity. They are 16 inches and 14 ply. Next, we have the CRE 3000 suspension system, heavier duty wet bolt and shackle kits, a spring hanger with V-bracket reinforcement, and 4,000 pound leaf springs. Every Paradigm is going to be universally prepped for any wireless backup camera system, as well as a new 2024 edition, which is our reverse taillights. Lastly, let's talk about the hitch. This is a 2-inch accessory hitch rated for 300 pounds on the tongue and 3,000 pounds for towing. On top of each of our slide outs, it is actually going to be prepped for slide toppers. This can be an easy customer upgrade after the fact. We're on the driver's side here on the exterior. Two things I'd like to point out, one being our 12-gallon gas electric water heater that can run off electricity as well as propane. Also, we have a 40,000 BTU Suburban furnace that runs directly through the underbelly, your storage through pass area, and the interior of the camper. We're here at the nozzles panel. We have knobs that are easily identifiable to accomplish anything you're trying to do. If you're trying to fill up with city water, sanitizing your tanks, or winterizing, we have a diagram that displays it, as well as your water pump, your city water fill, your black tank flush, and your gray and black pull handles, all conveniently located. All of your gray and black tank water is going to be coming out of one centralized location. We really wanted to simplify that so you don't have to have 2 hookup spots. You'll notice that we give you full access to all of your plumbing and wiring needs. Another key talking point is that we have a tray where the water pump sits, so if any sort of water leak ever happened, all of that water is going to drain to the outside. Here we are at the propane tanks. We have one on either side of this fifth wheel. Something I'd like to point out is we give you the ability to upgrade to 40-pound tanks after the fact, just because of how our chassis is designed. We are looking at our brand new front storage compartment on all Paradigms. The bottom left corner can be prepped for a generator. The bottom right is your battery bank. And up top is all additional storage in your 20 amp charge controller. Check out this massive pass-through storage on this Paradigm 310RL. For being under 35 foot, this amount of storage space is really impressive. This is a drop frame chassis, so you're getting 35% more storage height just due to how our frame is built. Additionally, in this storage compartment, you'll find cable connections as well as an outlet that is great for any sort of dorm-style refrigerator, as well as an LP connection for any gas grill and a water spray port to spray off your steps. Another great feature on this exterior is our PVC roof covering. This carries a lifetime warranty. It's also very puncture resistant, virtually maintenance free, and it's patch repairable. Thank you guys for joining me on this Paradigm 310RL tour. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to all of our social media content at Alliance RV, which is coming in at 34 feet, 11 inches and 12,000. Hold on, let me look at the... One of my favorite features in this Paradigm 310 is I stumbled. And cup holders right next, I want to redo that. This Paradigm 310R, I want to restart that. We're now in the shower. Lost my word. What is the word? Oh, fiberglass pan in the shower sound. Yeah, and now we're here in the bedroom of this Paradigm. Oh my gosh. Bro, stop.
Now we're in the bed.
We're now here in the bedroom. You'll have, check out this. We're now into the bedroom space. One of the first things you'll notice in this bedroom space, moving forward in this bedroom space, nope. Yeah.
You're right there,
bruh. Nope. Why am I saying? Nope. One more. Two things I'd like to highlight. Shoot. We have propane connections. We are here at the front storage. We are here at, oh my gosh. We are here at our, I'm hitting a roadblock, bro. We're here at our just due to how our frame is constructed. And don't forget to like and subscribe to all of our social media content.